Hey everyone, I am so excited to show you this new 2-in-1 anti-aging device from Nuovaluce Beauty. Not only does it have a microcurrent head with 5 different settings, it also has an attachment for red light therapy. Microcurrent is used to help tone and firm your skin, while the red light therapy, it goes into your skin tissue and heals and reduces wrinkles. The added bonus is that you don't have to use any kind of expensive conductor gel or cream. If you have sensitive skin, any kind of drugstore brand aloe vera gel will do. Not only is this device FDA approved, it is very easy to use, and you just have to charge it with a USB plug. It has gotten a thumbs up from Forbes, Entrepreneur, and the Today Show. You only have to use this device 3 to 4 times a week. You can use it as little as 10 minutes, or you can go up to 20 minutes. You can use this device while watching TV or watching YouTube videos on your phone. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. You turn it on, and then it has 5 different settings. I go to the medium setting because I have been using microcurrent devices before, so I can take it, but if you can't, you can just put it at the lowest setting and build up. I would say build it up in about a week or 2 just so you can get the most benefits out of it. And you just take it and you can go along your jawline and go all the way up and just hold it for 5 seconds. And then just move on to the next part of your face. I don't feel any pain, just a slight tingle. I like to do my neck as well. And I'll do each part about 3 times, so it doesn't take that long. I also like to do my forehead. And the place that I really like to use it is my upper lip. So I just pull it like that and do the other side. When you're done, you simply shut it off. Then there's a button back here and you push it and you lift the head off. Then you take the red light therapy attachment, push the button, and you just kind of do the same you did before, but you can go up and down like this, or you can slowly move it. You can just keep going all around your face. And what's great about this attachment is you can hit that eye area where we get those wrinkles the worst as we age. And you can just keep going along your face. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I like to hit my upper lip. That's where I have most of my wrinkles. I love that I could get in there and get the red light to hit those areas. I'll do my neck. I'll do the eye area. You can even do this area, which tends to get a lot of wrinkles. I have been using this device for about 7 days now, and I do feel a little more firmness in my skin. I'm seeing some improvement in my upper lip area, which makes me so excited because that is where I have the most signs of aging. They say it takes about 60 days to see the fullest results. So if you would like me to make a 60-day result video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you have tried this device, if you're thinking about getting it. I'd love to hear from you.